Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tagalog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Tagalog, I will be showing you how to turn on notification on Messenger. To begin the process, open the Messenger application first. So you can do this by two methods. You can turn on notification on Messenger from the Messenger application within, or you can do this from the Messenger settings in your mobile device. Tap on the profile on the top right corner, tap that, and then you scroll down and you will have the option of notification and sound. Tap on that. In the notification and sound option, you have the option to turn on and turn off the notification Messenger. The turn off on notification will have a time period that you choose where you will not be notified of any call and messages. So for you to enable this, you just need to tap on the toggle, moving it to the right side. With this, you will be able to turn on notification on Messenger. So once you turn on, you will be able to receive the call and messenger from Messenger right away. So this is how you can turn on notification Messenger within the Messenger application. So if you want to go through the phone setting, you tap open the setting on your mobile device. In this setting, you tap open the app and notification, and there you need to open the app information of your Messenger. Tap that. Here you tap on notification option. Currently, the notification for the Messenger is disabled. So once you tap on the toggle in the show notification, you will be able to receive the call, message, whatever the notification from Messenger, as you have turned on the notification Messenger through this setting. This is another way how to turn on notification on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Tagalog YouTube channel. Thank you.